Alright, so today I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get ready for my first client from coming back from having a baby. I know I look a mess right now, but I'm gonna start cleaning my room and getting stuff done. I already cleaned my breast pump and I'll show you guys my breast pump in a little minute. It's a hands-free breast pump and I feel like it's gonna save me so much time, but yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up. Okay, so I use this right here for the bottom of my chair, and then I also use this to clean my mirror, and I use this pretty much everywhere. And then now that COVID has arrived, I always use this just to make sure everything is all clean and whatnot. And I'm going to show you guys how that Salon chair works at the bottom of my chair, because the fact that I do braids, it always get wet at the bottom. So I'm going to show you without her being in the camera. Taraya, you gonna say hey? Hey. All right, Taraya.
With this,
I'm gonna show them how I clean the chair, okay, Taraya?
okay.
So I just spray like so, and then get a towel.
Okay. I love it. I want here and ham. Okay, it's so funny. It's so wet. It's so wet. It's so wet. On the door, it's no
Now it's spotless.
I use this.
You should have zoomed in a little bit.
Wait it, like mommy.
Yeah. Sometimes it does like have the oil on top of it, only because the chair has oil.
Yeah, have poop.
It
Like
looks really-
mommy.
What? What are you talking about?
Try poop.
Now for my barber side, this is how I do it. I put some water in here, and these are my dirty combs that I had left over. I end up washing a lot of my combs, so that's what I had left over. And where's my barber side? So I have my barber side here, and I like my water to be light blue. That's how I like mine. Not too blue.
Oh.
And then I'm going to put my combs in here. Like so. And then I should be cleaning them tomorrow. Every day you should be cleaning your combs. Put me back in my brush. So this is my hands-free. I just cleaned it, so it looks like this. And I just stick it in my bra like this. And this goes on top. And you just turn it on like so and start suction. So far, my favorite suction is the red and the pink. Everything else pretty much kind of hurts. But yeah. And these are cases. These are just the case. So you put your boobs in here. But you have to make sure these lids is on here or else it's going to leak. So this is how it would go on. Put these on top here and then just stick it in your bra. And you'll be good to go. I gotta charge these bad boys. So the charger goes in here, and then I'm gonna charge these overnight.